In front of me is Nokia 1.3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first, let's open the messages or any other place where you can enter some message so you can see the keyboard. And here you can smoothly write in English if you want to. As you can see, currently we are set up with English, so we can smoothly use this language. And whenever you would like to change it, you need to mark the settings. If you cannot see settings here, just tap on this Google icon and then settings icon will appear. Then go to languages and pick add language. Add keyboard, sorry. Here we've got the list of all languages. It's super long, so you will definitely find something suitable. And now just pick the language that you want to apply. Click on done then. And now you can smoothly remove unnecessary language. In my case, it's English. Then let's go back. And as you can see, keyboard dictionary has been changed and you can smoothly write in this language. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.